Welcome to this Zazen meditation session dedicated to cultivating tranquility within yourself. Zazen, or seated meditation, is a practice rooted in Zen Buddhism that emphasizes stillness, awareness, and inner peace. Today, we will embark on a journey of tranquility through focused breathing and mindful presence. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a cushion or a chair, ensuring your spine is straight but relaxed. Rest your hands gently on your lap or knees, palms facing upwards or downwards as feels natural to you. Take a moment to settle into your seated position, allowing your body to find its natural alignment. Close your eyes softly, or maintain a soft gaze towards the floor. Feel the weight of your body grounding you to the present moment. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. As you exhale, release any tension or restlessness you may be holding on to. Shift your focus to the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits your body. Without trying to control or manipulate your breath, simply observe its flow. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to anchor you to the present moment, letting go of any thoughts or distractions that arise. As you continue to breathe mindfully, embrace the silence and stillness that surrounds you. Notice the space between your thoughts, allowing for moments of pure awareness to emerge. Let go of the need to fixate on the past or anticipate the future. Be fully present in the here and now, immersed in the tranquility of this moment, inviting acceptance and non-judgment. As you deepen into the practice, cultivate an attitude of acceptance and non-judgment towards whatever arises within you. Whether it be sensations in the body, emotions, or thoughts, simply observe them with gentle curiosity and compassion. Allow them to come and go like passing clouds in the sky, without attaching any labels or meanings to them. With each breath, invite a sense of deep peace and tranquility to permeate your entire being. Visualize this peace as a radiant light filling you from within, dissolving any remnants of tension or agitation. Feel yourself becoming more aligned with the natural rhythm of life, grounded in a profound sense of calmness and clarity. As we conclude this Zazen meditation for tranquility, take a moment to express gratitude for this opportunity to cultivate inner peace within yourself. Carry this sense of tranquility with you as you transition back into your daily life, knowing that you can return to this practice whenever you seek refuge from the world's busyness. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and transition back into your surroundings, feeling refreshed and renewed. Peace be with you.